Hi, this is Bonnie from Arts and Culture Collaborative, and I wanted to show you how to get into a Zoom meeting. So if you don't want to sign up for Zoom, if you want to just randomly jump on a Zoom call quickly, all you need to do is either follow the link that somebody gave you or log into Zoom. So the first thing that we'll do is follow a link. So somebody sent me a link. So let's say I click on the link and this is the link that I got. So just assume that we are arriving here and it's going to open a Zoom window, and I'm not logged in. So I'm just clicking on the link, getting to Zoom, and then I'm going to open the URL Zoom Launcher. It's going to ask me for a meeting password. Sometimes you're going to have a password, but more often than not, you will not. So I'm just showing you the scenario with a password, and it would be right in with your link in your email. So then I'm going to hit join meeting, and there I am. So basically what you would want to do next is hit join with video, unless for some reason you didn't want to be on the video. I've been on meetings where I was eating or something and it was just, didn't want to be on there. But I'm going to click join with video so you can see what it would typically look like. And then you saw my name there. Then I'm also going to join with computer audio. So it said I'm using the computer audio, and there I'm in. Now there's no host to this meeting. I'm just doing this to show you how to get on, but you can see that I'm just the only participant. Once you're in, if for whatever reason you wanted to stop video, you can go ahead and hit stop. You can mute. Oftentimes you're asked to mute yourself before you come into a meeting, or when you get into the meeting if there's a lot of people. And then when you're done, you can hit leave meeting. So easy as that. You don't have to sign up for anything. You don't have to create an account. You can just jump on using the link that someone sends you. Hope that helps.